Right, welcome to a new video. I'm down by the Glais bridge. If you go back up our way, it's towards Cefn, and our way goes to Pontsarn. So, gonna have a little look here. Number 200, widened in 1936. Originally it's supposed to be a wooden bridge here, going back to the 18th century, I think. And like I said, if you looked up there, then you got the Glais stream, Glais, and further on upstream is the other video I done, the Cefn Coed cave. So we're just gonna have a little look at this bridge. You can't see much from this angle, so we'll have to go down and try and get a picture of it, because I couldn't get no pictures online of it. So have a little look at this side. No, we'll do this side first, and then we'll go over there. So we're gonna jump over the stay, and then see we can get down and have a little look at the bridge. Right, just jumped over the stay. You can look, see the different size stones. That one's been perfectly cut square on the top one, and you just got all normal ones in there then. I have mentioned in other videos, if you look up here, that's documented as a Roman road. I'm going to go down here. Like the top of it looks, if you look at it there, it's rounded to where my silver car is. So we'll go down here, see if we can get down here and have a look at the bridge. Right, as you come down a bit further, you can see that rounded part of wall, and there's the bridge. So you should be able to get down to it. But like I said, see if I can get a good picture of it straight on. You can see through the years the different levels have been added, but we'll go down here now, see if we can get a better view. Right, I come down the bank and got a crack everywhere up here now, and actually get a good picture of it. So we'll look up here where the original bridge was. I'm not sure. Like I said, you can see the different levels have gone on through the years. And if you look up here, you run in stream, and then you come to what looks like, you know, a bit of a crossing. I don't know if this would have been natural, so we'll have a little look in there. I mean, you can actually walk on all the stones in there. A massive lump of stone there then, and there's the other side. So I'm just going to stand on where the dry stuff is for today. Have a little look. I'm not going to try tempo down there today. Like I said, I'm on a crutch and it's slidey. So there's hardly any water. As you can see, it's all stone. Like I said, you got this spear then. And you can see, if you look here as well, see like the layer going up. So was this the previous bridge, or was that the previous bridge? And they've extended it, and that's when they mentioned earlier. I'll put all the information at the beginning, because I know it was a bit lot shorter, and then they widened it. So looking at this spear now, was this the original bridge? And then they've added that part on. That does look newer because it's been pointed and that, but hard to see. So originally this could have been just a bridge. But interesting. Like I said, it goes back a couple of years, and this water then goes down under the Glais embankment, and this stream goes into the River Taff. So you can have a little look up here so you can see any other features. Make your way across. Massive boulder over there, and like you said, you can see this side then. That's interesting, but there, that square part. And if you pull back out then. So what was originally the bridge? Was it just this part? And then all that on top has been added on an extra date? Possibly. They said there's no pictures, I haven't seen no pictures online of this actual bridge. So I'm going to go upstream a little bit now, try and get a picture of it. But if I see anything else, I'll let you know. But good craftswork on the stones. I'll put, like I said, the dates and rough dates we got of the information about this. Right, another little look, and I think I'm going to attempt to go through it. Like I said, it looks slidey, but I'm not going to slide far if I do go. Yeah, it's very slidey. We're in quite a bit there. Let me see what it's like there. And so we're nearly at the end of it, so if I go slowly, should get there. And we're through it. Like I said, not much to see this side. You can see how it's been built into the limestone and that. And that's the other side then. So I'm going to go upstream, see if we can get a good picture from the other angle, looking down at it, because as I said, I've never seen a picture of it head on. So we're going to head up this way and go upstream by there a little bit. So there's the bridge from upstream a little bit. We're going to go up on top now and look down the stream. Right, back over the stay, and see, we can see over it. It's all overgrown, all the grass. Might be able to look at it a little bit here. So I was down there just now. The extra on part has been put on at a later date. So if you look down there, that's the Glais embankment. So I'll do another video on that a different day. But hope you enjoyed the video. Glais Bridge, Pontsarn.